In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your Shopify store. To get started, let's navigate to your Shopify dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel, and that's where you need to be. Look for the Apps section and give it a click. Once you're in the Apps section, you're going to use the search bar to type in A/B test. This search will bring up a variety of apps designed specifically to help you with A/B testing. Now, with an array of options available, it's important to choose the app that best aligns with your needs and budget. Each app will come with a distinct set of features and pricing plans, so take a moment to explore. Click on any app that catches your interest to get a closer look at what it offers. Pay attention to the list of features. Some might offer advanced analytics, customization, or integration capabilities. It's crucial to compare these features against what you hope to achieve with your A/B testing. Pricing is also an essential factor to consider, so review their subscription models to ensure it fits comfortably within your budget. Once you've made your decision, it's time to install the app. Find the Install button, usually prominently displayed on the app's page, and give it a click. This action will start the installation of your chosen app. After installation is complete, you'll need to undergo the setup process. Each app will have its distinct setup requirements, so it's important to follow the instructions provided by the app's developers. They typically guide you step by step, ensuring that everything is configured correctly. If you encounter any issues, most app developers provide support or FAQs to help troubleshoot common problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now set up a tool that allows you to A/B test your Shopify store. With A/B testing, you'll gain valuable insights into your customers' behavior. Over time, these insights will enable you to optimize your store more effectively, improving user experience and ultimately boosting your sales. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy testing.